Outrageous itself makes a huge impact. So thank you for coming, and we hope to have you again.
This was the most incredible show I've ever seen.
Do not miss this show. Make sure you buy a ticket and see the show.
Outrageous is stunningly talented. You will not be able to stay in your seats. These people are so passionate and incredible, and what they're doing is amazing.
Want to have a good time and be uplifted, get out of your seat and enjoy.
Woo! That was awesome.
This was a fantastic experience.
Multi-sensory, and it was just visually beautiful.
It was fabulous.
They really pulled art and music together in a really inspiring way, and it was just beautiful.